playing DTI, but I can't see the theme. I have no idea what the theme is. Coquette. The theme could be coquette. B. See that girl was wearing it. Schoolgirl. I will get my hair and makeup for now. I will stick with schoolgirl, I guess. I will just do a comfy school fit. The tie is knotted. These pants are knotted either. It's giving Squid Game. Last second changes. The fit was kinda ugly. Let's revel the theme. 3, 2, 1. Guys. My guess was close. Who dis diva? Pose 28, pose 28, pose 28, pose 28, pose 28, pose 28. It's not eating though. No, I was on 6. Thanks for watching, guys.